Starting May 1st, 2025, Upwork is rolling out a major update to how freelancers are charged fees. It's no longer a flat 10%, it's going variable. Freelancers on new contracts may now pay anywhere between 0% and 15%, depending on factors like market demand, job category, and even promotional offers. You'll see the exact fee before you accept a contract, clearly shown during proposal creation or in the offer details. Good news, your existing contracts won't change. The new variable fee applies only to new contracts starting May 1st, and once a contract is live, the fee stays locked in. Why the change? Upwork says it's to create a healthier marketplace by adjusting fees based on supply and demand, ensuring better opportunities for both freelancers and clients. Quick FAQ highlights. No transition period. Freelancer Plus members still benefit from 0% via direct contracts. Enterprise contracts and direct contracts are not impacted. Stay informed, adapt your strategy, and keep thriving. Subscribe for more freelancer updates and tips so you're never caught off guard.